Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the Create a Design button in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various design options you can choose from. From that drop-down menu, select Custom Size. This option gives you full control over the dimensions of your sticker, which is important since stickers typically need specific sizing to print or use properly. When the size dialog appears, you'll notice it defaults to px for pixels. Click on px, and from the drop-down that appears, select in for inches instead. This makes it easier to work with standard sticker dimensions. Now, type 3 in the width box. This sets your sticker to be 3 inches wide, which is a common size for printable stickers and works great for most purposes. Next, type 3 in the height box as well. This creates a perfect square canvas, giving you a balanced workspace for your sticker design. After setting your dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will now generate your custom-sized canvas, and you'll be taken to the main editing workspace where you can start designing your sticker. Once you're in the editor, click on Elements in the left sidebar. This opens up Canva's massive library of graphics, illustrations, and design elements that you can use in your project. In the Elements search bar that appears at the top, type dog and press Enter. This will pull up all dog-related graphics and images available in Canva's library. Below the search bar, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Graphics tab to filter your results and show only cartoon-style illustrations and vector graphics which work best for stickers. Browse through the options and click on any cartoon dog graphic that you like. It will instantly be added to your canvas. Choose one that has a clean design and clear outlines, as these make the best stickers. Now, drag the corner handles of the dog graphic to resize it. Make sure to hold Shift while dragging to maintain the proportions and prevent the image from getting stretched or distorted. Next, drag the image around your canvas to center it. You want your sticker design to be nicely positioned in the middle of your workspace for the best final result. Click Edit in the top toolbar. This opens up additional editing options for your selected graphic. Scroll down to the Shadows section below, which contains various effects you can apply to make your sticker stand out. In the Shadows panel, click Outline. This adds a border around your graphic, which is essential for stickers because it makes them pop and gives them that classic sticker look with defined edges. You'll see a size slider appear. Drag it to about 30 to 40. This determines how thick your outline will be. A thicker outline makes your sticker more visible and professional looking, especially when printed. Below the size slider, click on the color box. A color picker will appear. Select white from the options. A white outline creates great contrast and makes your sticker design stand out against any background. Once you're happy with how your sticker looks, click Share in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up sharing and export options for your design. From the Share menu, click Download. This prepares your design for export and gives you format options to choose from. Click on the File Type dropdown and select PNG from the list. PNG format is ideal for stickers because it supports transparency and maintains high image quality without compression artifacts. Now check the transparent background box. Keep in mind this feature requires Canva Pro, but it's essential for creating proper stickers since it removes the white background and leaves only your design. Finally, click Download to save your sticker. Canva will process your file and download it to your computer. Give it a moment to complete, and you'll have a professional quality sticker ready to print or share. And there you have it. You've just created a custom sticker in Canva with a clean outline and transparent background. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.